In 2001, the first targeted drug, Imatinib, was launched. It precisely attacked the specific defective gene, unique to chronic myeloid leukemia. Overnight, a disease that was once fatal turned into a chronic condition that could be controlled with a daily pill. However, cancer cells, masters of evolution, can always find new mutations to escape. In the end, scientists turned their attention to the most powerful army within our bodies, one that had long been overlooked: the immune system. We once thought the immune system was just blind, unable to see cancer cells disguised as one of its own. But in the 21st century, scientists discovered that cancer cells have evolved a perfect set of diplomatic tactics. They will actively shake hands with the brake molecules on the surface of immune T cells, politely handing over a passport identifying themselves as one of the team, thus paralyzing the entire army. This discovery gave birth to immunotherapy. Its role is not to directly attack cancer cells, but to kick away that deceptive handshake between cancer cells and immune cells. It releases the immune system's brakes, allowing the deceived army to re-identify and eliminate the traitor. And CAR-T therapy has taken this concept to the extreme. Scientists extract T cells from the patient's body, genetically engineer them in vitro, to equip them with a navigation head that can accurately identify cancer cells, then infuse these modified super soldiers back into the body. These T cells become a type of living drug, patrolling and hunting on their home turf, without rest or mercy. But this is ultimately a war against our own destiny. It is far from over, and may never end. Because cancer is not an external invader, it is us. It is just an ordinary cell in our body that, after billions of ordinary replications, by chance, broke free from the ancient constraint called collective interest, and picked up life's most primitive, most selfish urge for infinite proliferation. It uses all the beautiful mechanisms we have endowed life with: vascular endothelial growth factor, metabolism, to betray life itself. It is an inevitable consequence of humanity's increased lifespan, and a biological paradox, where cells seek immortality but end up in self-destruction. When individual cells pursue infinity, they are destined to disrupt the order of the whole. When a species as a whole draws closer to longevity, the more traitors there are within its bodies. Therefore, we may never invent a perfect weapon that can completely eliminate betrayal. But what we are learning to do is shift from eradication to management, from war to peacekeeping. We will eventually redefine the upper limit of health. In the gray area of controllable coexistence, on that day, cancer may still exist, but it will lose the power to dominate our destiny.